So here is a quick guide video on how you can claim your dogs into your exchange straight away, right? And congratulations once again if you have made it to this point. And before I show you step by step how you can do it very shortly, please I want to say something that could be of great importance to you. If you have more than one account, okay, whether they are on different phones or not, please I want to advise you or counsel you rather not to withdraw or claim into two or three different sex, that is centralized exchanges. Okay, please, right now we have only Bybit and OKX. I don't know where you'll be watching this video, but I'm recording it on the eve of 16, that is Friday. You may likely be watching it from 17th or so. Please, and you have between now to 19th to claim. So don't claim two or three tokens or accounts from two or three accounts into two or three different exchanges, because you'll be required to submit your exchange ID, your UID, okay, your user identifier. And if they want to like clamp down on multiple accounts, you might be affected. So what you're going to do is, if you have more than one or two accounts, withdraw or claim the other accounts, okay, the other dogs from the other account, from your second account and above, claim them into your non-custodial wallet, Tonkeeper, right? And or Telegram, right? So that if they want to clamp down, you may likely escape it, okay? But take note that if you're claiming into Tonkeeper, which is a non-custodial wallet, you'll be needing Ton as gas fee, and that will be from 20th. Okay, you are not claiming that, you are not doing that now. So what you need to do is, if you have more than one account, claim one into exchange if you must. Okay, just the way I'm going to show you the step by step now. So you are going to click here, deposit to exchange, and right here you're going to see exchanges, wallet in Telegram. Okay, if you want to claim into wallet in Telegram, you click here. Okay, but I'm not claiming to wallet in Telegram, I'm claiming into the available exchange for now. So I'm going to click on exchange. It's already by default is there. Then I'll click on continue, and you're going to see the number of exchanges that are available as at the time I'm recording this. So we have OKX and Bybit. But if you are from Nigeria, please don't do any mistake and click here. Click on Bybit, right? So when you click on Bybit, you are clicking on send here, and then you are going to see this question. It's going to ask you, do you have an account, an Bybit account? Of course yes. You click yes, and then you'll be required to input your Bybit UID. This is what I was talking about. Then dogs deposit address and your memo is like tag. Okay, memo is also known as tag. So we'll go over to my Bybit now, and then you click on assets. Okay, click on asset, and then you are going to click on deposit, and then you click on deposit crypto. Then you search for dogs. Please take note that you have to make use of the real one. You can click here and search for dogs. Me, I've searched for dogs already, but you can see this is dog, but you can just click here and search. This is Be Sure dogs, right? You can see it has appeared for me. If it doesn't come up this way, it's not that one, because we have dog points, we have some other dogs, but this is dog, this is Bybit. Now you click on it, and then you are going to see something like this, and then you click here, okay, and that is the network. You choose the network, then this is just a warning and the kind of notification. Then you just click off. Now this is the wallet address, and this is the tag, which is also known as memo. So you copy the wallet address, you head over to your Telegram and input the wallet address here. Okay, this is where you're going to input the wallet address, and then make sure it's correct. You can see FPQB. Then you copy the memo, which is also called tag. Then you head over and then input the memo where it's supposed to be, right? And then you still go back to your Bybit, and you are done with the wallet address. Then you go back to your home page. Okay, click on this icon, okay, the profile icon. There you are going to see your your UID. So you just click on it to copy, and then you head over and paste it, right? You paste it, and this send will be highlighted. Make sure everything is correct, and then you click on send, right? Confirm withdrawal. This is what I'm withdrawing, and then make sure everything is correct. Once you have confirmed that everything is correct, then you just click on okay. Take note of all this thing that's written here. Just click on I confirm, and then let's wait for the feedback. Deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on 20th. So that is all. That is all you need to do, and then you wait for it to be deposited on 20th. Okay, remember they are going to deposit. You are not going to see it now right in your Bybit account or any other exchange that we're drawing into, right? But it will be deposited on the 20th. And if we go back, you are going to see that it is highlighted. See, this is withdrawing. So that's going to be all. If you have questions or need more guidance, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to also like, share with others, and join my Telegram channel for daily updates. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.